Hello, I am going to be talking about the path that sperm follows, all the way from the testes to the outside of the body. Here we have a little summary of all the organs it goes through, but let's go one by one. First, the testes. The testes are in charge of the production of sperm and testosterone. After that, we have the epididymis. This organ stores the sperm. And then after that we have the vas deferens that transport the mature sperm. The fourth one are the seminal vesicles that produce the seminal fluid, and that's why they're called like that. Then the ejaculatory duct that directs sperm into the urethra, and then we have the prostate gland that produces a milky fluid. Then we have the bulbourethral glands that are in charge to secrete lubricating mucus. And finally we have the urethra that this carries the sperm and the urine outside of the body.
Hi, I'm gonna talk to you about the external genitalia of the male reproductive system. Okay, first of all, we have the penis, which is a cylindrical organ made of spongy tissue. It has three main parts. It is the first one is the shaft. It is the long part of the penis. Then it has the glans, which is the rounded tip. It is often called the head of the penis. And the last part is the urethra. It is a tube that runs through the penis and it allows urine and semen to exit the body. And it is used for urination and to transfer sperm into female body during sexual intercourse. And we also have the scrotum. It is a pouch of skin located below the penis. It contains the testes and it also has muscles. So it is the skin that holds the testes and keeps them at the right temperature for producing a healthy sperm. Today I'm going to explain hypothalamus and pituitary gland. Hypothalamus produces gonadotropin releasing hormone or GnRH. Its functions are to stimulate the pituitary gland to release gonadotropies, and its regulation is controlled by feedback loops involving testosterone and inhibits levels in the blood. The pituitary gland produces luteinizing hormone and follicle stimulating hormone. Its functions are to stimulate Leydig cells in the testes to produce testosterone and to stimulate Sertoli cells in the seminiferous tubules to support spermatogenesis and produce inhibin. Then we have the hormonal regulation process. GnRH release. The hypothalamus releases GnRH impulses signaling the anterior pituitary. The LH and FSH secretion is when the GnRH stimulates the anterior pituitary to release LH and FSH into the bloodstream. Then testosterone production is when LH acts on Leydig cells in the testes to promoting testosterone production. Spermatogenesis support is when FSH acts on Sertoli cells, promoting spermatogenesis and production of inhibin. And feedback mechanisms and testosterone is when high levels inhibit GnRH and LH secretion, maintaining the balance, and inhibin when high levels suppress FSH production, regulating spermatogenesis. Then we have the hormones that GnRH is produced by hypothalamus, and its function is to stimulate pituitary to release LH and FSH. It controls negative feedback from testosterone. Then we have LH that is produced by pituitary gland. It stimulates Leydig cells to produce testosterone, and it's controlled by GnRH. FSH that is produced by pituitary gland, and its function is to stimulate Sertoli cells to support sperm growth, and it's regulated by inhibin from Sertoli cells. Testosterone that is produced by Leydig cells. Its function is to promote male characteristics and spermatogenesis, and it's controlled by feedback inhibits GnRH and LH. And Inhibin, that is produced by Sertoli cells, its function is to inhibit FSH secretion and is controlled by feedback inhibits in FSH.